What go on, my people? So, dancehall artist Alkaline have a new song called Juggernaut. And for all who don't know what a juggernaut is, it means like a battleship, something powerful. You know what I mean? And in Alkaline song, the description of his life and the levity and his struggles is really what he's depicting of how he overcome everything. You know what I mean? And the song is a good song. You know what I mean? And if I should grade that song, I would give it a 9.5. You know what I mean? Because it's a very good song. The song is well put together. The lyrics are well coordinated. And believe me, listening to this song, Alkaline show a lot of maturity. You know what I mean? And people in 2011 when Alkaline just coming out and I was telling people about him, it was because of this reason, because I saw his talent. You know what I mean? And this song really proved that Alkaline is really the front runner, because he shows that he didn't even have to do any violent song or any gun song or anything like that. All he's doing is just singing about his life. You know what I mean? And it just, this song is going to resonate with a lot of people. You know what I mean? Even though he's singing about his life. But because of the melody and it was well mixed. And it's a good song. You know what I mean? And I have to say big up to Alkaline and the whole Vendetta. Because Alkaline people have proved that he was a star. You know what I mean? Because after all that he went through, 90% of dancehall bashing him. You know what I mean? So for Alkaline to really rise and really turn in even naysayers into fans, such as people like Foota Eye. You know what I mean? For that Body Wash song that he did. You know what I mean? And talking about him being in Cartel Image. And he overcome it, and that show resilience. People, young artists should take a note from Alkaline book. You know what I mean? If they can take a note from his book with his talent, they should take a note from his book with resilience. Because he should show that he had resilience and he overcome all of this. And that's why the song that he's doing is so relevant. And that's why the song that he did and name it the Juggernaut makes sense. You know what I mean? And that's why I had to grade the song 9.5. You see me? So Alkaline, I think he have done the utmost best for himself, knowing that he did it by himself. You know what I mean? So I have to say respect to Alkaline and respect to all them fans. You see me? Big up yourself, youth. Peace. I'm out.
What himself?
I'm the youngest lad. Johnny. Them can't stand with Vendetta. The struggle only make you better. Them right we off like a letter, but we still a trendsetter. The pain out of the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, and somebody who me love. Push me another time, make a sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you good and I see no blood. Ready up again, pain and heartbreak. Shot me in a hit for my love. All of me life experiences, things when me go through for real, build me up as a top. Boy say them bad wine I'm game. Me nah no time for chase, me shoot it out one time. I say me love the girl, the man, them heart is sexy and clean. But me nah gonna name nothing when I cook in a canteen. Pussy me see me all the while, what make you know no run in. Chat alone, them have them my internet name. Full tip out of the party, well madam me. Nothing personal, I just how we let us stay. Now me telling you the pain, all the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, and somebody who me love. Push me another time, make a sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you good and I see no blood. Ready up again, pain and heartbreak. Shot me in a hit for my love. All of me life experiences, things when me go through for real, build me up as a top. I tell them all the while I start weighing up prepare. If violate me, I got to go beef up your security. I've a heap of y'all, but none of them me not swear. For some of them me fuck, I never call them back, now them hate me. That I'm not proud of, but I am the alpha, can't rise against me when I'm here the rock of Gibraltar. But sometimes me feel like the world can salka, but me I say fuck the world, me and the money with salsa. The pain, all the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, and somebody who me love. Push me another time, make a sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you good and I see no blood. Ready up again, pain and heartbreak. Shot me in a hit for my love. All of me life experiences, things when me go through for real, build me up as a top.
What himself? What himself?
I'm the youngest lad. Johnny. Them can't stand with vendetta. The struggle only make you better. Them write we off like a letter, but we still a trendsetter.